In this video, we will show you how to solve a problem cannot edit the disk on Hyper-V virtual machine platform. In here, I open my virtual machine on Hyper-V Manager, and when I click settings in here and try to edit the disk or hard drive, you can see edit is not available because checkpoint exists for this virtual machine. How to enable this edit button? Okay, first we can try to stop the service, but before that we can just select settings and select checkpoints in here. Okay, I will select checkpoint and disable the checkpoint, and for automatic stop action you can see there is option turn off the virtual machine or shut down the guest operating system. I will select the turn off the virtual machine and click apply. And for automatic start action, I will choose nothing and click apply and click OK. And in here, we can click start. Okay. You can see, then we can try to shut down this virtual machine. Okay. We click shut down in here. And in here, you can see there is checkpoint. Okay. We can delete the checkpoint. Okay. After that, you can try to stop the service again. Then you can click start service and select again your virtual machine and choose settings. And in here, you can see now the edit button is appear. Okay. You can see there. Now you can expand, convert or compact your disk. And that's all. Tutorial how to solve a problem. The hard drive or disk cannot edit on Hyper-V platform. Hope this video helpful for you.